There's also activities to do. Na pia jioni kuna games. Na games you can't be idle. Tunakimbizwa kwa field. Run. So unakuwa umechoka. So at the end of the day unaendanga tu unajitupa kwa kitanda hivi.
So what time do you guys shower when you wake up at 4:45?
Shower. We don't shower in the morning, we shower in the evening. At 5, everybody goes to shower. Shower with water from the borehole.
So what do you love most about school?
Shule. Friends.
Only.
Friends only.
No one else?
Yeah.
Nothing else? And teachers?
Nothing. Hey. What's happening? I can't think of... Why? Do I have a favorite teacher? And mi sinanga favorite. Kuna wale tu wenye wananibambanga na wengine wanibambi. Mwenye wananibamba sana ni Mr. Musili. Social Studies.